Hey guys, today we'll be making Senku Cola from Stone. While I was recreating the soda, I got more and more interested in the idea of making your own soda drinks. So for this video, as an extra, I'll show you guys how to make Sprite and Fanta along with the Senku Cola. So if you're interested, stick around till the end. For the Senku Cola, the first ingredient that we'll need are limes. We'll be using the lime skin, so make sure they're fresh. We'll start by grating the skin of 2 limes. It's important that the zest is finely grated. Once it's all grated, we'll cut the 2 limes into 4 halves. Extract all of the lime juice from the limes. If you don't like the mildly acidic lime flavor, then you can use less halves, but I personally love it. Next, we'll need 5 grams or a quarter cup of cilantro leaves. We'll put the leaves into a pestle and mortar. Then, we'll smash them up. Once they're nicely smashed, we'll add the lime zest from earlier. Let them get to know each other by smashing them. Then, add the lime juice and mix them together. Once it's nicely mixed, let them sit for a while. After 30 minutes, pour the cilantro lime mixture through a mesh sieve. Extract as much of the juices as possible. You should be left with this green mixture. Now, get a pan on a medium heat. Add 5 tablespoons of honey to the pan. Make sure to constantly stir the honey. As the honey gradually starts to change color, raise the heat slowly to a medium-high heat. Make sure to constantly stir. After about 10 minutes of stirring, the honey turned a very dark brown, almost black color. You want to stop cooking the honey once you have the feeling that it's on the edge of burning. It's quite tricky, so be careful. Once the honey has a nice dark brown color, add the cilantro lime juice and mix vigorously. The honey will harden quickly if you don't. Once everything is mixed, you should be left with this thick dark brown syrup. Next, get a bottle or a glass to put the soda in. I got a bottle to make it look more like the anime. If you're gonna use a bottle, you will need a funnel to pour it in. Start by pouring in the syrup. I poured about half my syrup in, since my bottle is quite large. Once the syrup is in there, fill the rest of the bottle up with carbonated water. Unfortunately, my funnel is too large for the bottle, so I spilled a little, but that's okay. So yeah, that's the Senku Cola from Stone. I loved how the color turned out. I'll tell you guys about the taste at the end, so stick around. The next drink we'll make is the Fanta. We'll start by gathering 3 beautiful oranges. We'll be using the peel of these oranges as well, so make sure they're high quality. We'll start with roughly peeling the oranges. I'm using this peeler, but a knife would work fine too. Once you've peeled all 3, get a ball. Put the peels into the ball. We'll make an oleo sacrum with this. To do this, we'll add 1 cup of sugar to the peels and mix them thoroughly. I added half at first, mixed it, and then added the second half. The sugar will help with releasing the oils from the peels through osmosis, but this will take some time, so put them in the fridge overnight. After a day has passed, we'll start by cutting up 2 oranges. We'll extract the juices of those oranges by squeezing them. I think 1 orange would have been better since my syrup was too loose, but it still turned out great. After letting the peels stay in the fridge overnight, the oils from the orange peels have released and mixed with the sugars. We got this beautiful oleo sacrum. Add the orange juice to the bowl and mix it thoroughly. Once it's all beautifully mixed, we'll pass it through a mesh sieve. You should be left with this beautiful bright orange liquid. Now, we'll repeat the same procedure we did with the cola. Get a bottle and a funnel, and pour the orange syrup into the bottle. I poured about half of the syrup. Then, I filled the rest up with carbonated water. I messed up and spilled a bit, which resulted in it looking like a... Yeah, let's just move on. I filled the rest of the bottle up with carbonated water, and after that, the Fanta was done. I loved how it turned out. It has a very natural color. I'll let you know about the taste at the end. so stick around. The last drink we'll make is the Sprite. I got this recipe from a YouTube channel called Flavor Lab, link will be in the description. We'll start by getting some fresh lemons and limes. It'll be pretty much the same procedure as with the Fanta. First, we'll peel 2 lemons and 4 limes, and put the peel into a bowl. Add a cup of sugar to the peel and mix it thoroughly. Leave the peel sugar mixture in the fridge overnight. After a day, cut a lemon and a lime in half. We'll squeeze the juice of a whole lime and half a lemon. Take out the bowl of peeled sugar mixture out of the fridge and add the citrus juices. Mix it all thoroughly. Once it's all mixed, we'll pass it through a mesh sieve to be left with a syrup. Now, we'll get a bottle and a funnel again. Pour the syrup into the bottle. I used about half the syrup. Fill the rest of the bottle up with carbonated water. This time, we didn't spill anything, which was nice. The Sprite is now done. It's pretty much the same recipe as the Fanta, just different citrus fruits. We've now finished making all 3 drinks, but something feels missing. Oh yeah, we're missing the logos. I'm 10 billion% sure that Senku would have made a logo for each drink as well, so I did the same. Now that every drink has a logo, we're finally finished. I'm really glad with how everything turned out. It's now time to taste all the different drinks. First off, the Senku Cola. I really love this drink. It tastes very similar to a regular cola, but it has a bit of a honey lime taste to it, which I really love. If I was in the Stone Age and someone gave me this drink, I would probably have the same reaction as Jen. Next, we have the Fanta. This one turned out very nice as well. Doesn't exactly taste like a Fanta, but it comes very close and has more of a natural taste and color. You can also taste the oranges a lot more in this compared to a normal Fanta, which I personally prefer. Lastly, we have the Sprite. This one was my personal favorite, but I'm a Sprite lover, so I'm kinda biased. Tastes pretty much like a normal Sprite, but more natural. You can taste the lemon, lime, everything. It's just delicious, so you should definitely try it. So yeah, those were the drinks we made. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I would appreciate if you liked it and perhaps subscribe for future videos. Anyways, thanks for watching.